How can I lower the chlorine level in my pool? I'm told my pool is 4 times larger than an average pool. Someone working for me filled the automatic chlorinator up with tablets and turned it to highest setting. By the time I noticed, the pool had gone from clear to very cloudy. I checked the chlorine level with a test kit and it is off the chart. What should show as light yellow is more of an orange. I have guests arriving in a week and need to use the pool. It is an ground pool with a spray and blue liner. The chlorine will bleach the color, so hope to find solution ASAP. Is there any product I can use to lower the chlorine level? Draining it down to dilute the water is not really an option due to water rationing in effect and the pool being so large. Any advice much appreciated.
Hello, I'm here to help you today. Thiosulfate is available at a local pool store. However you need to measure your pool to put in the right amount, I can give dosage tomorrow and it is on container. Do not add too much or guess, as overdose will give opposite effect. Check pH after lowering choline, as tablets have a pH of 2.9 and can drastically lower pH.
Thank you for your help. I have no idea how to calculate how much to use. I do not know how many gallons pool hold. I recently purchased the house, so not aware of gallons it holds. I assume I should measure length and width, but not sure how to factor in depth since it tapers off from 3 feet to 8 feet deep. Please let me know what measurements you will need to help determine dosage. Thanks. I will not be able to check back until tomorrow to follow up.
If this is a rectangle-shaped pool, you would multiply length x width to get the surface or square footage. Next, multiply that number by the average depth, which in your case is 5.5. Then multiply by 7.48, which is how many gallons are in a cubic foot of water. Simplified. Length x width x 5.5 by 7.5 equals total gallons. Directions: use the dosages below to determine the correct amount of pool chlorine neutralizer to administer to the pool water to achieve desired results. Backwash the filter before adding chlorine remover. Pre-coat the filters if necessary. To add the granular pool chlorine remover by pouring the pre-measured amount, using the dosages below, into the skimmer while the pool pump is running. Do not backwash pool filter for at least 24 hours unless the pressure gauge indicates the need to backwash. Dosage: if your pool is over 5 parts per million chlorine residual, add 3 ounces per 5,000 gallons. If your pool is over 10 parts per million chlorine residual, add 6 ounces per 5,000 gallons. If your pool is over 20 parts per million chlorine residual, add 14 ounces per 5,000 gallons. You can take your pool water and dilute by half with distilled water and test with strip. If you are in range with chlorine reading, then multiply that reading by 2 to get actual reading. Or you go to reputable pool store to purchase sodium thiosulfate or chlorine neutralizer. Take a pint or more of pool water to be tested.
Thank you. You have been very helpful. I have not been able to locate product at local supply. They suggested I wait to allow levels to drop on their own. I prefer to follow your advice, but may have to drive couple hours to San Antonio to get product. Today, tomorrow we have high winds and sunshine. May help lower levels some. Seems cloudy water was due to dirty filter, reduced water flow. It is clearing up now that filter is clean. Thank you much for your help. Seems dirty filter was cause of cloudy water. Clearing up now. No luck on finding any product to lower chlorine here locally. May have to drive to bigger city to get it. Local pool supply said our 2 days of high wind and sunshine may help lower levels. They said if I can get it down to a reading of 8 or less should be okay. My chart goes up to 5. Thank you for your help.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.